Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M12, and today I will show you how you can customize the double press feature from the power key. So right now when you double press this key, we can turn on camera, and I will show you how we can change it. Let's go for the settings. Then we have to go for the search pool, and we have to type side key. We can find it also in the advanced features. Go for the side key, and as you can see, we can change it to open one of the app. When you tap on the settings icon, you can choose the app that you want to open. For example, let's make it with Samsung. I mean with the Play Store. So right now let's double press power key, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.